Did you know an entire city was vaporized in just 3 minutes? On May 8, 1902, Mount Pelée erupted with superheated gas reaching 1,000 degrees Celsius. The city of Saint-Pierre in Martinique was instantly destroyed. 30,000 people died in moments. Only 2 survived. One was a prisoner, locked in solitary confinement. His thick cell walls saved his life. The eruption happened so fast that victims were found frozen mid-action. A man still holding his coffee cup. Children still sitting at their school desks. 3 minutes, an entire city gone.